I can't tell if I'm staring at the polka dots or the polka dots are staring at me right now.
Well, a couple of polka dots might be staring back.
Ah.
Be a freak in the sheets.
So this is Kiss and Tell with Javi Mac. We have some interviews from the chair.
From the chair.
From the chair. I'm here with
Gigi Dior.
Gigi Dior. Okay, so
Yeah.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
What's your favorite party that you've been at this year?
Ooh. This year it's only been like a week.
Oh, well, in the last 12
So
months.
in the 25. Okay.
25.
I would probably say like the white party last year at X-Biz Miami.
A white party at X-Biz Miami. Why was it so good?
Just it's a white party.
Oh, yeah.
It's
yeah.
Miami.
It's Miami. It's a white party.
Miami, it's a
I had
white
fun at that
Oh,
party. That
right.
was
They know how to throw a white party.
good. Something about a good white party.
Right? Yeah, I agree. Something
that's good.
sexy about all.
Sexy.
Yeah.
I went to a red party recently.
I saw the pictures of that, and it looked, that's a whole new concept. I
That's
love
a
the red.
whole- yeah.
Why don't we do blue or
Why are we
pink?
purple?
Purple polka
Like
dots?
a polka dot
A
party.
polka dot party. I'm there for it.
I think I can't tell if I'm staring at the polka dots or the polka dots are staring at me right now.
Well, a couple of polka dots might be staring back.
Ah, l'chaim. I like that. So, what are you most looking forward to at the XMAs this year?
Just hearing all of the amazing awards that are going out to like my colleagues and my work friends and everybody that's worked so hard for them. Yeah,
Working hard is hard.
it is. Work hard so we can play hard.
Oh, on that note, thanks for watching Kiss and Tell with Javi Mac. Interviews from the chair.
Javi!